So I wanted to talk to you about the importance of goal setting and why it should be that your goal is kind of overwhelming to you and why your ability comes to meet that goal. Realize that you're a spiritual being, yeah? And there's many ways to think about it. But when the Bible says you are made in the image of God, should be that you do have, at least to some extent, a capacity to perform a miracle. Should be. Depends on how you put it. There's different religions, different thoughts about it, but I'll tell you what, there's a miracle power to you, whether it's religious or not. You can meet a target which is impossible, and it often happens. Right now, we have like a Bluetooth earphone which connects through the air to my phone. I can phone someone on the other side of the planet. I can get into a metal bird and fling my body from here to America within some hours. That impossible thing is actually possible. You just need to pull it into possibility. So you need to set a ridiculous target. Almost a year ago, I was refused in the Refocus Awards. It's an award show. And I wasn't ranked at all, and my pictures were unacknowledged. So what I did was, I took that in and I said to myself, wow, you're nuts. You're nuts. What do you mean I didn't win any placement? I wasn't number 100? You're crazy. So what I said was, I'm going to win. Now I'm going to win 100 awards and I'm going to send them a screenshot. And I'm going to do it with the photos that I entered that award with. I won my 89th 5 days ago. And it's almost at 100 awards, and that's my goal, but I need to set in advance. My next goal. And it needs to be just as overwhelming as 100 awards, because somehow despite everything, like in less than a year, I'm almost there. Sure, I've been making sure to enter an award every single day since even sometime last year. I've been entering, digging up the internet, translating what I need to, whatever it is, to enter awards. But it seems even like where I thought I was, I'm above where I thought I was. It's nuts. I'm almost at 100 awards. After I pass 100, I think I'm going to go for a lifetime goal. I'm going to try to get 50,000 awards. The greatest photographer in history is a Japanese guy. He won 1,600 awards. A lot of them were medals. And I want to... I don't know. I want to show Earth. I want to show... Not even you guys. It's not even you. I want to show me that I'm a force of nature, unstoppable. I'll summon every ancestor. Every animal is my spirit animal. It doesn't need to make sense. Every power is mine. And I'm going to do it. I'm going to do something which is beyond. And it's going to be untouchable. And you know what else? And maybe the most important part of this is, I'm going to do it for fun. I think one thing that has carried me all this way is the spirit of play. And it's important to maintain a spirit of play. You're just messing around. If you're in a fight and you're just messing around, you almost become unbeatable. You can't really beat a person who's having fun. A person who is running will never beat a person who has fun running. A person who's trying to get somewhere will never beat a person who has fun in the getting to that place. I hope this makes sense. It's a little bit deep. I'm saying it from a bit of a light-headed place because as I approach 100 awards, what's happening is, as much as my mind has always known it, my spirit is realizing that I'm not an imposter. So it's, I'm experiencing a miracle. And it's nuts. Subscribe and watch me subscribe and watch me.